Hello my babies, welcome back to another video. Today is day 15 of Swolemas and it literally feels like day 327. Yo, mama's tired, but she's not giving up, okay? I will get every single day up until January 25th, I will get a video out. I promise you that. So, since I'm feeling tired, I feel like I should make something that's a little bit easier to edit. Also, I was watching this girl, one of my favorite YouTubers. Her name's Jo Franco. If you've never watched her, you need to go watch her. Also, I'm making a bagel right now, so I hope that's okay. So anywho, the video I was watching is called 20 Lessons I Learned in 2020, and it kind of inspired me. Like, maybe I'll make a video about that soon too. If you guys want to see that, let me know. But, sorry, this lighting is shitty, wow. She talked about removing toxicity in your life. I think that she meant it in the way of removing toxic people. I don't really feel like, as of right now, I have any toxic people in my life. So what I'm gonna do is remove clutter in my house, on my phone, just anywhere that I can, because she was saying how it's so important to remove clutter and toxicity because it's like letting the universe know that you're ready for the good to come in. You have to make space for the good and for the blessings and all that cheesy shiz. So that's what we're gonna do in this video. I hope you guys are ready. Are you guys hyped? You guys freaking hyped? I'm hyped to do this. Oh, my bagel's done. Oh man, I kind of burnt it. Oh well. We're gonna start with under my sink because you guys saw under my bathroom sink. It's not pretty. We're just gonna go from there. I have a feeling we're gonna clean out my closet as well, and probably my phone, because I have a lot of shit on my phone that I need to get rid of. So let's do this, kids. Alright, so here it is, folks, underneath my sink. This might take a while. Alright, we're gonna turn on some Bob Marley. You guys like Bob Marley? Comment below your thoughts on him. Discovered a mysterious purple object and I tried to clean it, and low-key I feel like I just made it worse. So that's good. This shit works on everything, right? It's working! Holy shit, this is a workout. Here we go, here we go. Scrub! I think that's as good as we're gonna get. Look at that, folks. See, I told you this shit works on everything. Success! High five. No? Alright, that's fine. Elbow? No? Okay. I'll go back to minding my business then. You guys ready for the grand reveal? Oh shit. Look, we got the... You guys don't care. I'm not gonna explain it. But look how much better it looks. Wow. And I feel so much better. Can I be real with you guys too? I did not feel like doing that. And by the way, say hello to Suki. Did you just hear her? I did not feel like doing that at all. After I ate my bagel, I was posting on Instagram and then it just sucked me in and I was like, man, I don't feel like doing this. But I have no other choice because I don't have any other video to put up. So I made myself do it, and that just goes to show that sometimes when you make yourself do stuff, it's really worth it. Because if I hadn't done this, I would have literally just been sitting on my phone, which I need to get better at, and I will get better at. So I've changed my shirt, and I've decided we're gonna tackle my closet next. This should be fun, because look at it. Your girl got a lot of clothes. And seriously, I don't wear half this shit. Oh, and I have a lot of shoes. Oh my god, look. It's a mess. So let's do it, shall we? That's a lot of clothes we're getting rid of, but I feel good about it, man. My closet doesn't look any different though. It really doesn't look any different. Oh, we're getting rid of a lot of shoes too. Take a look. All of these shoes are exiting my life. I'm really sad about these because I love these shoes, but I can't wear them because they're too narrow. Love you. You were good to me. Hi, I changed again because I got cold. I don't know what else to organize. I don't know what this video is. I just needed something easy to edit. I mean, hey, I'm just being honest. Okay, so tell me what you guys feel like. I gotta be real with y'all. I kind of can't wait until I go back to my regularly scheduled programming just because I like putting my time into the editing, and I feel like with Swolemas it's really hard for me to do that. And I told you guys from the beginning that these would be a lot less edited videos, which some of you may like, but I don't know. I can't I don't really vibe with it as much. I mean, I feel like we're getting closer. All of us, we are having a lot of bonding time this December. I mean, I feel better after decluttering though, I must say. I personally feel like when you clean and get rid of shit, it's an act of self-love, because it's like saying, I deserve to have a clean space. I deserve to have freshness, and it's just so much better for your mental and everything. So if there's something that you've been needing to clean and you know there is, then go do it. Okay? Just get it done. You'll be happier, I promise. I hope this video inspired you to declutter as well. Do you have anything to say to the people? What do you have to say? Anything? No? Alright, back to me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this another random nugget vlog. Give this video a like if you liked it. Subscribe to join the Swole Squad. Shout out to these patrons if you would like to support me on Patreon for just $2 a month. The link is in the description. I greatly appreciate any and all love and support. Comment below your favorite kind of dessert. I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good ass day.